we're making this delicious no-knead focaccia. It's really, really trendy at the moment. It's really simple to put together. And of course, we're using the best Odlums, of course, the home of Irish baking. Okay, so we're gonna start firstly in a large bowl with 650 grams of the Odlums cream plain flour. In you go. So to that then we have 2 really good pinches of sea salt. In you go. To that we have 1 tablespoon of honey. Gives a lovely sweetness to it. We have 1 7-gram sachet of yeast. So that goes in. 600 ml of just lukewarm, so it's like tepid water. In you go. And the reason why we use lukewarm water is that it doesn't kill the yeast. Just mix in the bowl like this until you combine all the ingredients. And we have then 3 tablespoons of olive oil in. Mix it around the dough with your hand. But once you have all that done and mixed together, just wrap it in some cling film. And we leave that then for 4 hours to prove itself. 4 hours later, we get something that doubles in size basically. So we get a tray and we just grease the tray with some olive oil so it doesn't stick to it. Out from here, so you can see, and we stretch it onto the tray, like so. So the olive oil hopefully stops it from sticking to your hands basically. So we just kind of pat it in. We just press with your fingertips all over the dough. So it gives you those little ripple effects that you always notice in focaccia. We are just gonna leave this then for a further 15 to 20 minutes to prove, and then we'll bake it. Okay, so after 20 minutes, we add our flavor in. So my favorite is some chopped thyme and rosemary, so 2 really, really nice fresh herbs. So sprinkle that all over the top. We have a good clove of garlic, so we just use the microplane and we grate it. This is just the final thing, is really good sea salt, and we just sprinkle from a height. I mean, a few little toppings, and all we have to do then is bake that at 200 degrees for 15 to 20 minutes. So go straight into the oven. 20 minutes later, you get something like this. And there you go, a beautiful no-knead focaccia, fit for a king or a queen with Odlums.